Okay, so if you're waking up with bites, this video will help you trace where the bed bugs came from and give a calm step-by-step plan you can follow tonight. Here's the thing. This guide shows how to track bed bugs, what to inspect, and what to do when you find suspect items. You'll get practical actions to reduce bites right away and stop spread. You can get control one careful step at a time. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This is simple. Start calm and work methodically. Bed bugs don't teleport. They arrive on people or things and hide near where you sleep. We'll use an ordered plan to trace them. Okay, so begin at the bed. Pull sheets and check mattress seams, tufts, piping, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood stains. Look at box springs, use a flashlight or phone camera. Check headboard, frame joints, and screw holes. Narrow gaps are favorite hiding spots. Here's the thing, reconstruct recent activity. Ask if you or visitors stayed in hotels, brought in used furniture, or picked up curb items. Check dates and items one by one. Then set simple monitors, interceptors under bed legs, sticky or cardboard traps, and a notebook to map where and when you see signs. You know what really helps? Bed bugs like tight cracks right where you sleep. That's why starting at the bed and working outward usually finds the nest and the trail back to where they came from. This method isn't fast, but it's the one that reveals the source. This part matters. Finding the source is only half the battle. Isolate suspect items first, then treat them. We'll walk through immediate steps that reduce bites and stop spread. Okay, so isolate first. Seal infested clothing or small items in heavy plastic bags until you launder or heat treat them. Use mattress encasements now to cut bites fast and trap bugs. Vacuum seams, cracks, and crevices. Empty the bag into a sealed bag outside and steam slowly to kill bugs on contact. This one's important. Combine a contact spray that kills on contact with a residual spray that stays active. Apply to cracks, bed frames, and baseboards and follow a schedule. Twice a week for the first month, then weekly while you keep encasements and interceptors. Wash bedding and clothes on the hottest setting allowed and dry on high for 30+ minutes. This is why the steps matter. Isolation stops spread, heat and laundering kill all life stages, and a combined spray plus encasements prevents reinfestation. Do all of them and keep at it. Persistence is what ends infestations. Don't rely on sprays alone. You can make tracing and treating easier with the right tools. For the tools and products we recommend to track and treat bed bugs, click the link below. Those products are what we use to inspect, trap, and treat. They speed up the process. This final part covers what to expect, daily habits to prevent reintroduction, and how to stay confident while you work the plan. This one's important. If you don't see live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Keep monitoring though. Check interceptors and spots because stragglers do show up. Don't panic if you see one, act fast. If you brought in secondhand furniture, accept it was likely the source and focus on treatment. Seal and treat the item or get rid of it in sealed trash. If you suspect neighbors or common areas, document what you find and keep your items isolated. You can protect your home without shaming others. Daily habits help prevent reintroduction. Inspect second-hand items before you bring them inside. Keep luggage elevated and checked after travel. Maintain mattress encasements and interceptors long-term for protection. Do them regularly. This one's emotional. It's normal to feel overwhelmed. Bed bugs are common and can be beaten with steady, careful work. Small actions today, encasements, washing, interceptors, and methodical inspections add up fast. You are not alone and you can get your home back. You can do this. Stay steady, follow the inspection and treatment steps, and keep monitoring until you hit the 3-month clear mark. For the products we recommend to make tracing and treating easier, click the link below.